God.
No, it's the Profoto B10. Hey guys, I'm here in my studio with the brand new Profoto B10 just announced, and it's a tiny little light with lots of features and power, and I thought to illustrate that, we'd have Marisa play a song on her tiny little guitar. So what song did you prepare for us?
Prepare?
For the B10 song.
I was supposed to prepare a song?
Yeah, that's one.
I did prepare a song, Daniel.
Good.
I called this one the Profoto B10 Specs. 250 watt seconds over a 10-stop range. That's like the power of 5 speed lights with a super fast recycling time. Lightweight and cordless, size and shape of a camera lens, 'cause size matters. It does. And lithium-ion battery gives you 400 volt power flashes per charge, so it can keep going and going and going and going and going and going and going.
TTL! High-speed sync.
High-speed sync.
Air sync.
Air sync.
And Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
With the new Profoto app.
New Profoto app?
I know.
And you can even shoot video.
We're doing it right now.
Integrated continuous light. Adjustable brightness, 10 to 100%.
And color temperature from 3,000 to 6,500 Kelvin.
Okay, Daniel. It's compatible with all the Air TTL remotes.
That's useful.
And over 120 light shaping tools,
That's a lot.
including the full OCF range. Wow. The B10 is truly a big light in a small package. We got this down.
Yeah.
We're like pros.